Huawei has just launched its latest foldable phone, the Pura X, and it's bringing a fresh take on flip phones that actually make sense. Unlike the usual flip-style devices that unfold into an ultra-tall, narrow screen, the Pura X gives us something far more practical, a wider 16:10 display that works both horizontally and vertically. And honestly, this could be a game-changer for foldables. So let's talk about what makes the Huawei Pura X stand out. First, the cover screen. It's a compact 3.5-inch display with a sharp 980 resolution, a peak brightness of 2500 nits, and a smooth 120Hz LTPO adaptive refresh rate. HDR vivid content support means this screen is great for media consumption, and with its unique 1:1 square ratio, it looks pretty futuristic. Sitting on top of the cover screen, we have a quad camera system. This includes a 50 megapixel /1.6 RYYB main sensor, a 3.5x optical zoom telephoto lens, a 40 megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a color sensor. This is an impressive setup, especially for a flip phone, and we'll get into why that telephoto lens is such a big deal in a bit. Now, flip the phone open and you get a 6.3-inch widescreen display with a 2120x1320 resolution. This inner screen also supports a 120Hz LTPO 2.0 adaptive refresh rate, 2500 nits peak brightness, and HDR vivid, along with a 1440Hz PWM dimming for eye comfort. The 16:10 aspect ratio is a major highlight here. Unlike the usual 22:9 aspect ratio of most flip phones, this wider screen offers a 30% larger viewing area compared to traditional 16:9 smartphones. That means less black bar space when watching videos and more space for reading and browsing. Huawei has also put some serious effort into the design. The Pura X comes in several elegant colors and materials, including Moon Shadow Gray, 0-degree white, and Phantom Night Black, along with 2 collector's edition models. It's not just about looks, though. This phone is built to be practical, functional, and premium in every way. Speaking of the launch event, Yu Chengdong, Huawei's executive director and chairman of Consumer BG, explained how the wider display on the Pura X provides real advantages. He pointed out that the visible area for short videos increases by 40%, while images and text displays 60% more content. The wider format makes it ideal for media consumption, multitasking, and gaming. On the software side, the Pura X runs on HarmonyOS 5, Huawei's latest operating system. This version brings a reworked kernel, an improved Arc engine, and full end-to-end cloud integration. Compared to the previous HarmonyOS version, the new system boasts a 40% performance boost. Another exciting feature is its generative AI capabilities. The Pura X uses Huawei's Panga large model alongside DeepSeek dual models for its AI voice assistant. There's even an AI eye movement feature that lets users turn pages with just eye movements. Definitely a cool futuristic touch. Now let's talk about battery life. Foldable phones usually suffer from poor battery capacity due to their compact design, but the Pura X changes that. It houses a 4720 mAh battery, which is nearly 20% larger than the Galaxy Z Flip Stick's 4000 mAh cell. It also supports 66 watt, that's right, a telephoto camera and a flip phone. Even after 7 generations, Samsung's Galaxy Z Flip series still doesn't have one, but Huawei managed to fit in a 3.5x optical zoom lens. Of course, it's not all perfect. While the Pura X nails the hardware, it does have some drawbacks. Since it runs HarmonyOS instead of Android, you won't have access to the usual Google Play Store apps. And given the US sanctions against Huawei, it's running on a Kirin chip, which isn't as powerful as the latest Snapdragon or MediaTek processors.